Hey everybody, this week we're going to talk a little bit about fishing in north central Pennsylvania. In fact, we're in Tioga County, and the county next to us is called Potter, and it's pretty part of what they call the Pennsylvania Wilds. Between these two counties there's over 1,100 miles of fishable streams and rivers. I'm currently up on the left Asaph Run, and up here a lot of the creeks are called runs instead of creeks. In this area, you're mostly going to catch native brook trout, and they are small. They can go 5-6 inches. 8-inch one is starting to get good size and have beautiful colors. 10-inch, man, you've caught a big one. Probably not going to catch a 10-inch way up here in these streams, but I tell you, the streams and the areas are just absolutely gorgeous. So if you're ever up in north central Pennsylvania, you definitely need to check out the fishing up in the mountain streams, or even down in Pine Creek, and that's stocked with some rainbows and browns, and they get definitely a little bigger. But this time of year, it's kind of warm there, so it's not good fishing. So everybody heads up into these little streams. Shouldn't say everybody, because I've been out fishing and hardly run into anybody. So during the week, you have the whole place to yourself. So hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to hit the little bell and subscribe. And next week, I don't know what it's going to be. Maybe kayaking if I can get the boat in the water. So y'all enjoy.
Sunrise in West Virginia, sleep talking on the front porch, running barefoot to a creek. We learned to drive the van, then we had to hide it from the fishermen. 2 French braids made believing, like my own sister. Our souls weave together, beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever. Counting up our crawdads, both of us 8 years old. Clawfoot tub ran only cold. In the middle of the night, we found bats in the loft with our flashlights. We were together, that made it alright. Like my own sister, our souls weave together, beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever, like my own sister. Our souls weave together, beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever.
The other one was that big, Deanna.
I know, I'm sorry I wasn't there to get a picture of it.
That's all right.
How long was it?
It was about 8 inches, but it had all the good colors on it. Let me try this pool again. I don't know, that might have been... Got the right lure at least. Hitting topwater stuff, hitting flies.
Well, you've caught 3 today.
One was the best one I caught ever.
Yep, lots of mushrooms. I've been taking pictures.
Nobody's road is the same. Both of us went our own way. Our hearts had never changed. cabin days.
water's so clear.
Like my own sister, our souls meet together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever. Friends forever.
Looking for